3 years ago, the student body just felt a need to bring diverse issues into the forefront of the law school. I guess it was just something that students weren't necessarily aware of on a daily basis, and so students wanted to have some kind of event where students could show that they were committed to diversity within the law school, and also just to have dialogue with students about diverse issues, experiences, and such. There were at least 500 signatures last year. We're expecting at least 500. We're really hoping that all of the student body and the faculty will be more motivated now that they're more familiar with the pledge to just show their commitment to sign the pledge. You know, it's really our hope that diversity is just, it's not an issue that people think about for 1 week. We want the conversations and the dialogue to continue past this 1 week pledge drive, and we just want the student body and staff and faculty to really embrace and realize that diversity is an important part of the law school.
Diversity exists, and you don't want law to serve one particular group over another. I mean, that's sort of the point of the rule of law, is to keep everything balanced and people equal and protect rights. And so you have to have a lot of input in order to see what the normative aspects of the law are, what the law should be.
Well, I think diversity is important in pretty much any learning environment, to get different perspectives, and it's not just racial diversity, it's a diversity of political views, ideologies, and everything else. And I think it's important to learn other people's perspectives, and that way you can figure out where you stand. Have confidence in our community that we are keeping diversity in our minds at all points, but this just helps emphasize it and helps bring it to the forefront, and makes us think about it every day. I've learned from multiple different types of groups, different types of people, and I think that it's helped me kind of understand other people's points of view, and I think that's important.
This year, my co-chair and I, Erin Friedman, and I wanted to provide more than an opportunity for students to sign a pledge and get a t-shirt, but to also have a forum for students to be able to share personal experiences, stories, thoughts. So we had a board in addition to the pledge signing where people shared really great stories about their immigrant background or their experience being the only minority in their 1L section, just to make the diverse issues more personal to the student body. I was a signee of the Diversity Pledge last year, and I thought that it was a great idea and it was a great concept, but I really wanted to, Erin and I really wanted to expand upon the idea of just people coming to sign a t-shirt. We wanted it to be more meaningful for the student body, and so that's why I decided to be a part of the Diversity Pledge, and that's why we added the additional forum for students to be able to share stories about diversity. The culmination of the pledge drive on Thursday, the student body and faculty will all wear our t-shirts just to show that we're one community and that we're committed to diversity, and, you know, just as a display of our community and our unity.